In this video, I will show you how you can schedule message from the platform. There's only limitation on Instagram and Facebook to send a message within 7 days. For WhatsApp, you can only send a template message but no other limitation. For SMS, there is no limitation. So for any message you want to send, you can select the lead and you type the message. Alright, and you will see there you can send emoji, you can send a message, or you can schedule a message from here. Click, set the date and time, and when you want to send a message. If you want to nurture a lead where you send a series of messages, or if you want to send a follow-up message, then you can use a drip campaign. For that, you have to create a flow, where you create different messages, and you have to click on drip campaigns, and then this is where you create. For example, we'll just test it out. Test. And then you just need to select the flow. Which flow? When you want to send it, you can check. If you want to send it in days, immediately, minutes, or hours. So let's say after 1 day, and then you want to send another flow after 4 days. Then you can create a number of series of the messages that you want to send. And that's how you can schedule a message for your leads. Thank you for watching.